Alright everyone, welcome back again to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cyphus channel. Alright, so today obviously we have frenzy packs. What I have here is the Rebirth Archaeornithomimus. This is I give some distinction in it. I gave some yellow feathers right there, the neck. I painted the claws right there. And there's the DNA scan. Even the dew claws are painted. Look at that. Whoops. Okay, make it look better. I have 3 of these, and here's another. This is a Lophostropheus from Chaos Theory. I also give it distinctions in it, some stripes on the back. I got the arms, give some spots over there. I didn't paint the claws anymore. I think that was the other one. I painted it brown or gray. So frenzy packs obviously doesn't have any features. Okay. So I brought these 2 out because of the new, I guess the wave 2 are already showing up. I found this last night. SPECTROVENATOR. Okay. So I don't know if Mattel exaggerate this thing. This one has so much spikes in it, or looks like a armored carnivore. I've never heard of it, but when I look it up, it's apparently it's real. But like I said, that I didn't find this last night. I was looking for it. Just this one. I'm shocked that this didn't show up to you. So I'm gonna need like 2 more of these and 3 of these. Probably won't get this. But anyways, let's unbox this bad boy right now. Alright. There. Oh man, one more. Okay, now it's out. There's the DNA skin. Like I said, it's a friends pack, so there's no... Oh, what the... Wait, is that a feature? Oh no, I thought it was a button. No. Jeez. Pretty sure frenzy pack doesn't have any features, so... Okay, but anyways... It has this weird yellow-green color, faded green, or a worn-out green, or yellowish. The tail looks like it's about to move. Oh yeah, it does move. Look at that. You can tell. So yeah, that's right. When I look it up, it's actually a small dinosaur. A human's actually even bigger than this, but Mattel has to make it a little bigger. Look at that. Way too spiky for a carnivore. But anyways, yep, that's pretty much it for this thing. It has like a beige lower jaw. The teeth is actually not bad either. They didn't paint the upper gums up there. It looked like it has a beak, but it's not a beak. The eye on its left side looks like it's looking up, but on the right side it's looking forward. So, okay. Like Mattel cares about that. But anyways, look at the arms too. It looks like an armadillo. Yeah. Nice piece. So I'm gonna probably grab 2 more of these because it doesn't have a variant yet. And you know me, I'm into those. I grab extra if there's no variants yet. So yeah, keep an eye on your local targets. They're showing up now. Wave 2 is showing up, guys. So yeah, let's compare it now to the Lophostropheus. Pretty much this thing looks bigger. Has a bigger body. At the height. There. Yep, this thing's taller too. And for the Archaeornithomimus, obviously it's smaller. Look at that. Yep. So yep, there you have it. Alright guys, there you have it for today. Our super cool SPECTROVENATOR. Yep. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And yep, keep an eye on these things now, guys. They're showing up. Can't wait for the gigantic treasure. Lophostropheus and what was the other one? Can't remember. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe and comment and like. Have a good one now. Adios.